Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today we're diving deep into Svelte 5 and its impact on the future of web frameworks, based on a recent Smashing Magazine interview with Rich Harris, the creator of Svelte. Get ready for some exciting insights.
I'm pumped. Svelte 5 has been generating a lot of buzz. What's the core takeaway from this interview?
The big picture is this. Svelte 5 isn't just an update, it's a complete rewrite, marking a significant maturation of the framework. Think of it as a fresh start, building on years of experience. They've replaced the magic feeling dollar with more explicit syntax, like $state, $derived, and $effect, making it more transparent and easier to learn.
So more explicit, less magic. Interesting. Does this mean Svelte is abandoning its unique approach?
Not at all. The core philosophy remains. Rich Harris emphasizes building high-quality, resilient, and accessible apps. He even outlined 10 guiding principles, including prioritizing developer experience and focusing on the quality of the web itself, rather than just raw performance metrics. He's not chasing raw adoption numbers. He's aiming for quality.
That's a refreshing perspective. Many frameworks seem obsessed with sheer numbers. But what about scalability? That's often a concern with frameworks like Svelte.
That's a great point. The interview directly addresses that. While Svelte 5's improved clarity and explicitness enhance maintainability, which indirectly boosts scalability, the focus isn't solely on competing with React or Vue in terms of sheer scale. The emphasis is on building better, more maintainable applications. It's a different approach, a more sustainable one, I think.
I see. So it's less about raw power and more about building better software? What are the next steps for Svelte, according to Harris?
Exactly. Harris sees a need for improvement in the broader ecosystem. He wants to tackle ancillary problems like data loading, data persistence, deployment, and even potentially creating a full-stack solution, similar to Rails or Laravel, but for JavaScript. He envisions a more integrated, less fragmented development experience.
That's ambitious. A Rails for JavaScript, that's a bold vision. What about the community response to Svelte 5? Is it positive?
Absolutely. The response has been overwhelmingly positive. Weekly NPM downloads have doubled since the release, and the community is buzzing with new projects. The interview highlights several examples, like WebVM, a virtual machine for the web, and SvelteND, a drag-and-drop library. It's a vibrant ecosystem.
So, for developers considering Svelte 5, what's the message?
Harris's advice is simple. Give it a try. He points to a tutorial that can get you building applications in just a few hours. There's really nothing to lose. It's a framework that prioritizes developer happiness and building quality software. And that's a message I think resonates with many developers. It's a refreshing change of pace.
Absolutely. Thanks for this insightful summary. It sounds like Svelte 5 is more than just a framework update. It's a statement about the future of web development. A focus on quality over quantity.
Precisely. And that's a wrap for today's Tech Bytes and News. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you next time with more exciting tech updates. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.